We've got a storm system off to the weekend that we're tracking. That'll be moving in, and with it, that chance for rain. Cold front will be coming in as well. Partly cloudy sky across the area. We've got these passing thin clouds, and overall, just a nice evening out there right now. Not as humid tonight. We'll continue to track that storm system approaching, but still a mostly sunny day ahead of it tomorrow. And then weekend thunderstorms moving in along the cold front. Showers and storms will usher in some much cooler weather by the end of the weekend. As a look at those thin clouds that are up there, the view in Jackson County from our Prairie Band Casino weather cam. Currently 89 in Topeka, south winds at 14. Made it up again into the low 90s today, right at 90 so far for the high in Topeka. And that warm breeze, but not as muggy as it's been over the last few days. 91 currently in Manhattan and Junction City, 88 in Marysville, 88 for Emporia and Burlington. While it's not as humid, it is still humid, and so we still have a heat index a little bit higher, but we're not in the upper 90s for a heat index. It feels like 95 at Manhattan, 95 at Forbes Field, and 92 in Holton. So very warm weather across the region with southerly winds running anywhere from 10 to as high as 17 miles per hour. Those south breezes blowing through, and eventually we'll tap into that drier air to the south. Right now the dew point's in the upper 60s to around 70. That is lower than it has been. But watch this on future track as that drier air starts to spread up from the south overnight into the morning. And then we see a decent break in the humidity throughout the day tomorrow. It's not going to be as humid for your Friday. That'll change Saturday. Saturday, the humidity builds right back in, and actually higher humidity expected again Saturday. But it is just for the day. As the cold front sweeps in, watch this Sunday morning. You can see the cold front right there coming in during the morning and sweeping through, ushering in a much different feel to the air late in the day. Another look at KSNT Future Track. Now we're going to look at what kind of precipitation chances we'll have. You can see cloud-free for the most part tomorrow morning and through most of Friday. A dry day. Warm, sunny, not quite as humid. Again, the clouds will hold off for a while, maybe a few clouds around Saturday morning. But the rain chances really start to ramp up late in the day Saturday, 4:30 in the afternoon, into Saturday evening, some locally heavy rainfall. And that'll continue off and on through Sunday morning, but gradually push away to the east and will start clearing out by a Sunday afternoon. So again, most of it's going to come through Saturday night and into Sunday. Here's a look at the amounts. If this were to pan out, we're looking at 1 to 2 inch amounts out of the heavier rains. Other areas will stay a little bit less than the 1 inch amount. Cold front coming in this weekend. We'll continue to track that. Ahead of it, 89 tomorrow. Behind it, we'll drop from 84 to 72 for a high on Sunday. Upper 60s Monday and low 70s Tuesday. But look at those nighttime lows next week, mainly in the middle to upper 40s, with afternoon highs in the 60s to mid 70s, with lots of sunshine after a rather unsettled